This video is for the assignment on the cycle of 2023 April, and this subject is information system for managers for first semester. Okay, so the first question is, since its funding in 1994, Amazon has collected reams of information on what millions of people buy, where those purchases are delivered, and which credit card they use. What are three different types of analytics that Amazon uses this data for, and how does it help them? So here, let us see how we can go ahead about this data. So you can start in chapter 9, 9.5, data warehouses 279. Data warehouses. Here we have information how the data has been taken and how it has been stored. And second comes as data mining uses. So you can try to get information from here. Um, and just to mention that you have to write the question number one around 1,000 words. So try to fill up a little more introduction and brief informations in this. Moving on to the question two. Question two is, ArcelorMittal is the second largest steel producer in the world with an annual crude steel production of 78.5 million metric tons as of 2018. Lakshmi Mittal is the chairman and CEO of ArcelorMittal. In this role, what is the focus of CEO's role? That exactly what they want is objectives, kinds of decisions, information needed, time frames, etc. What are the primary information system and supporting information system used? Description data, types, kind of data, type of processing, which provides data to the information system. So here you have a lot of information is been provided and asked about. Going particularly about this is not in a particular chapter, so I have tried to come up with little more information you can gather around. Starting from the chapter 10, International Information System, you can try it with that. Um, then moving on to chapter 9 and chapter 2nd. And also you have to go ahead and find an external sources. You refer some sources, try to understand and then write it in your own words. So I just try to mention that do not copy any content, even it is a single line. Please do not copy it to your assignment. Type it in your own words. Sorry. So let us see how we are going. I'll start with the chapter 2. So here you have type of information systems. Then you have management information system, how the information system is connected to the CEO. You can try to get some information here. Then I'm going back to type of data and the international information system in chapter 9 and chapter 10. Page number 281. Here we have different types of data that has been stored. Then I believe 380. Oh, sorry. What was 324. So international information system, you here is the only where in the book I could see there is a reference of ArcelorMittal, but you can understand it is not the complete case out here. You'll get a little brief, and if possible, you can try to add up into your introduction of the introduction part of the answer. Okay, moving to question 3. Okay, in question 3, Vijay Anant has just been hired as a CIO, Chief Information Officer at Wilshire Finance. During the interview, the CEO had tasked Vijay with the responsibility of revamping the firm's IT infrastructure. Now that Vijay has come on board, he's keen to get started on the infra revamp initiatives and has targeted BYOD as his first initiative. So, what is BYOD? It is bring your own device, is the concept. Explain three levels of BYOD. Is 3A. Let us see 3A. So, in 3A, we have like uh, solutions intro. In this, you can start with introduction. And for 3A, guys, please remember you have to write it section A for 500 words and section B for 500 words. So try to look for coming closer to 500 to 400 will be a good uh, solution, good answer. Okay, moving to the solutions here. Chapter 5. I believe I might miss the page numbers. So here you can see the case. I'll just go ahead with the solutions. So the page number is 149, guys. 149. So here you can start up with what is the virtual world, how bring your own device concept has come up. So here is the exact caselet what we are looking for. Here you have the complete information, and the 3B is also connected to this. So what is he asking is what are the pros and cons and your recommendation. So do go ahead with this information. You will get a little more beyond, a little more kind of a thought process you have to put in to identify what are the pros and what are the cons here. Put it in your own words. So you can come up with your own recommendation, like do you really support this, or you have a different thought process. So that is your individual recommendation. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope my video was helpful for you to go ahead and write up your assignment. And please, if you have any other assignments in the April cycle and you want me to give a solution for it, kindly email me the assignment. Thank you so much.